Good afternoon, Robert. It's great to meet you. Thanks for coming in today.
Good afternoon, Jessica. Thank you for having me.
Let's start with a brief introduction. Can you tell me a bit about your background and experience?
Certainly. I have over 10 years of experience in software engineering, specializing in back-end development and database management. I've worked with various companies, ranging from startups to large enterprises, and have a strong background in technologies like Java, Python, and SQL. My most recent position was as a senior software engineer at Tech Innovators, where I led a team of developers and worked on scaling their back-end systems.
That's an impressive background. We're always looking for experienced engineers. Let's discuss your expectations regarding compensation. Can you share your salary expectations for this role?
Sure. Based on my research and understanding of the market, I believe a fair salary for this position, given my experience and skills, would be in the range of $120,000 to $140,000 per year. This range reflects my expertise in back-end development, my leadership experience, and the industry standards for similar roles.
That's a reasonable range. Can you explain how you arrived at this figure?
I arrived at this figure by looking at salary surveys and reports from industry sources such as Glassdoor, PayScale, and the Bureau of Labor Statistics. I also considered my previous salaries and the additional responsibilities I would be taking on in this role. Additionally, I factored in the cost of living in this area and the benefits package offered by your company.
It's good to see that you've done your homework. Aside from salary, what other factors are important to you in a compensation package?
Aside from salary, I value comprehensive health benefits, including medical, dental, and vision coverage. A robust retirement plan, such as a 401k with matching contributions, is also important to me. Additionally, I appreciate opportunities for professional development, such as training programs and conferences. Flexible working hours and the ability to work remotely are also significant considerations for me, as they contribute to a healthy work-life balance.
Those are all important aspects of a compensation package. How do you handle situations where the offered salary is below your expectations?
In situations where the offered salary is below my expectations, I approach it as a negotiation. I would discuss the gap with the hiring manager and highlight my skills, experience, and the value I bring to the role. I'm open to exploring other forms of compensation, such as performance bonuses, stock options, or additional benefits, to bridge the gap. If the company's budget constraints are a factor, I'd also be open to discussing a salary review after a certain period, based on my performance.
That's a very pragmatic approach. Have you ever successfully negotiated a higher salary in your previous roles?
Yes, I have. In my last role at Tech Innovators, the initial offer was below my expectations. I highlighted my contributions to previous projects, my leadership experience, and the value I could bring to their team. After a detailed discussion, they agreed to increase the offer by 10%, and we also negotiated additional stock options. This experience taught me the importance of clear communication and being prepared with facts and figures to support my case.
It sounds like you have strong negotiation skills. How do you ensure that you remain satisfied with your compensation package throughout your tenure at a company?
To remain satisfied with my compensation package, I regularly review my goals and performance with my manager to ensure alignment with the company's objectives. I keep an eye on industry salary trends and periodically reassess my market value. Open communication with management about my career progression and compensation expectations is key. Additionally, I make sure to take full advantage of the benefits and professional development opportunities offered by the company.
That's a very proactive approach. To wrap up, how do you balance your salary expectations with your passion for the work and the company's mission?
I believe that while salary is important, it's also crucial to find fulfillment and alignment with the company's mission and values. I balance my salary expectations by ensuring that the role offers meaningful work, opportunities for growth, and a positive work environment. If I'm passionate about the projects and believe in the company's vision, I'm more likely to be flexible with my compensation expectations. Ultimately, it's about finding a balance that meets my financial needs while allowing me to do work that I'm passionate about.
Thank you, Robert. Your insights on compensation and negotiation are very valuable. It was great talking with you today.
Thank you, Jessica. I appreciate the opportunity and look forward to the possibility of joining your team